Hi there. My name is Oyi, and I would like to walk you through the key features of the solution I developed to address the business requirements of my Microsoft Power Up Program Final Challenge. So here is a business scenario that was presented to us. Um, Paw&Heart is an animal rescue charity that operates animal shelters. The main goal of the organization is to help animals get the veterinary care that they need and also to help them find a foster family. We have been tasked to help this organization streamline their operations using the Microsoft Power Platform. To address this business challenge, I've created three Dataverse tables, a model-driven app, a Canvas app, and a Power Automate notification email. So let us see my business solution. The tables contain information about the shelters, the pets, the foster families, and you'll see these tables in my model-driven app in a second. So if I play my model-driven app, then I can see the information which I have imported into my tables from the Power Up Challenge resources that was provided to us. This app allows shelter staff to effectively manage all the shelter data in one place. They can sort alphabetically and filter by animal type, shelter status, and shelter name. They are also able to select an animal, see the details such as the name, sex, animal type, medical issues, and if they have upcoming appointments. So, if an animal has passed their medical exams, a shelter staff member can change the status to yes, and this action automatically marks the animal ready for foster. One of the requirements for the Canvas app is the ability to select an animal, enter the foster family info, submit, and have the status updated on the click of a button. Now I will play my Canvas app, and with this app, foster families can choose the shelter of their choice from a list. I would select an animal, input my foster family claimer ID, and submit. So now if I go back to play my model-driven app, then I can see that the status of the animal has changed from ready for foster to claimed for foster. And I can also see the date and the foster family ID info updated within the animal record. The next requirement is that after the animal has been claimed and the status has changed as we have just seen, then the foster family should receive an email showing the details of the animal and the pickup date. Using Power Automate, I also created a cloud flow which enables the foster family get an email with details associated with the animal, the shelter details, and a date to pick up the animal. The final requirement using Power BI is to create a data visualization report to showcase what the shelter has accomplished within the last few months. So the total number of animals in our record is 50, and the report shows that 23 animals have been rescued. Also, we have 5 animals fostered last month, and 2 new animals arrived at the shelter. Speaking of trends, the chart shows that the most fostered type of animal is dog, and the most rescued type of animal across shelters is cat. And I was able to achieve these by using some measures. If I click on a particular shelter, then I can see more specific detail about that shelter. Thank you for your interest in my work and also for listening till the end.